Hi guys, and welcome to
Hitch Up and Tow. We got a parcel
we have.
through the post. I think I know what it is. I hope it is what I think.
It is what you think. Last time it wasn't what you thought.
Oh no, could be a barbecue, I suppose.
It better not be.
I don't know how you open it. Does this follow? Or oh, I think I might need it now. Okay. Might need to know. It's not perforated side, so I thought it was open, wouldn't it?
I just thought so. Must be bad as a standy up job.
Ooh.
There's a lot of wheels going on.
There's a lot of rules. There's 7 boxes.
7.
I thought I only ordered 6.
I thought you ordered 5.
Okay. Let's have a look then, shall we?
What's in the box?
What do you think's in the box?
Oh, I don't know. I'm hoping it is what I think it is.
What do you think it is?
I think it's one of your mugs.
Oh, it's one of your mugs.
And the other side. Mrs. Hitch Up and Tow.
Where did you get that idea from?
Oh, I wonder.
So,
Hang on, I paid for 2 lots of delivery. Cheeky sods.
did you?
I did.
So you've got those, and I'm hoping these are going to be my mugs, because they're better.
Who says?
There's another one of your mugs.
Well, I'm more important.
Hang on. Did you order 7 mugs?
No. I ordered 2 from a giveaway.
Yeah, there we go. We've got the good ones now.
Oh, right, okay.
Now, there we go. Hitch Up and Tow. And you know why we got these?
No, you better tell them.
Because someone mentioned about doing another competition, didn't they? And didn't tell me about it.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
Oh,
So,
was it to
spot my rear, which Jonathan kindly did.
He did spot your rear.
Yeah, but it wasn't the rear we were thinking of. Yeah. So the competition is now lockdown is over on the 12th of April.
Yep.
So we'll be out in the van. Well, actually, we will be out in April, not on the 12th though. If you spot us out there on the road or at a campsite, take a picture of the rear of our caravan. You can't miss it. That's the one with big Hitch Up and Tow written on the back. And email it to us at hitchupandtow@yahoo.com, and you'll get a free mug.
You will.
First one to do it gets a free mug. Second one doesn't get anything.
No.
Because we're mean.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are the mugs for, well, one of the mugs for Spot Our Rear. And like I say, they're left-handed and right-handed.
Yeah.
So good luck to anyone who spots our rear. And I think that's it. I was very disappointed that you got 2.
You got 5, I got 2, and you're disappointed.
Yeah, because...
I'm disappointed because I paid separately for 2 lots of delivery.
Did you?
I did.
You should have a vote really, shouldn't they? Which is the best?
Mine's the wrong way round.
Yours is the wrong way round? Oh. Oh, is yours only one way round, is it?
Mine's
left-handed or right-handed.
Closer. Yeah, but mine only has Mrs. Hitch Up and Tow on one side. From fatty to skinny. Yeah.
Okay.
I like them.
So, what's these mugs for then?
They're for my giveaway.
Your giveaway? Oh yes, you've got a giveaway, haven't you?
Uh-huh.
So do you want to say about your giveaway?
Well, there's no point probably, because by the time this goes out, my giveaway will be over.
Will it?
I don't know when you're putting this out.
I don't know.
Well, my giveaway's on Wednesday, darling.
Okay, so it'll be over by then.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. So, that's just a quick unboxing.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you like it, and like I say, Spot Our Rear will be starting in April, so keep an eye out.
And if you like what you see,
Give us a thumbs up
subscribe.
and give us a comment.
And also pop over to Mrs. Hitch Up and Toe, because she could really do with some subscribers too.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye.